Well, as you know, the Multi-Ethnic Affairs has rolled out programs throughout Fiji, whereby we are giving grants to respective churches, mosques, temples, and community projects like to the halls, whereby we are assisting them with a grant from a minimum of $5,000 up to $15,000. So, in this way, today we've seen that we have actually done 3 handover projects, one in Vunika, one again passing Vunika to another temple, and then finally to Ranibulu. This is all about giving assistance to the minority communities in Fiji, and we are very much into the mode of again handing out almost another $2 million in this current budget. We have so far given $3.5 million in the last 2 years, and I'm very grateful to the Prime Minister and of course to the government of the day that they have allocated this type of funding for our community so that we can assist them. The multi-ethnic ministry was there in 2006, then it was disbanded by the last government. In this way, what we are doing now is we are assisting the community, whereby government gives cash for the material purchases, and the community gives the labor and assistance towards the development of the project. So it's a very well tailored community project with the government. And in this way, what we are seeing is the funds that we disperse to the community is well used, and the works are shown. And each project that I have visited in Banua Levu and Viti Levu, I can see that people have utilized the funding very well. You know that we have rolled out the 2026-2027 budget. It's for $2 million, and we have opened the application. Expression of interest has been opened, which will close on 11th of September 2026. So we're asking all the communities who are otherwise interested to take some assistance from our ministry. They can go online, or they can come to my ministry's office here in Commission Office building, and they can seek assistance from my staff here so that they can lodge the application on time, and then we can get it processed.